Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to open Google Slides in your browser. Before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser that you are using, either you are using Mac or Windows, you are using other browsers or Google Chrome, please make sure that it is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Also, if in case you're wondering, we also have different separate tutorials that you can watch on our YouTube channel by visiting the dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials in our dedicated YouTube channel. Also, if you want tutorials, a beginner's guide on the different Google softwares such as Google Slides, Sites, Sheets, and many more, we also have a video for that. So please be sure to head out to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and check those videos out. Now, without further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Now, Google Slides is basically a presentation software similar to the software that is offered by Microsoft, which is PowerPoint, in which you can create presentations to effectively present your papers, let's say for example your thesis papers or even a proposal, and many more. Now, to access Google Slides, all you have to do is to head over to your browser, and then in your search bar, either here or here, type in Google Slides and then press enter on your keyboard. Now, as you can see, there are multiple options that we can choose from, and all you have to do is to click the first one, which says www.google.com on the link. Click on that one and it will redirect you to this page. Now, as you can see from here, we got different options that we can choose from, and all you have to do is to click on this go to slides button once, and it will open up a new tab that looks like this. Now, if you are new and this is your first time using browser or using Google Slides, then it may require you to sign in using your Google account. And if it does, I want you to make sure that you use your main Google account, because how this works is that all the documents that is created within this software will be stored in your Google Drive. Now, to create a new presentation, all you have to do is to either pick on one of these templates right over here that is provided by Google, or you can just start from scratch by clicking on the blank presentation button. Click it once, and now as you can see, it will open up an untitled presentation. You can change the title here and then manipulate your document right over here. Now, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to add elements and how to edit these slides, please be sure to just stay tuned as we will upload a separate tutorial for those. But for now, I'll take it from here, and I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.